Hi guys, in front of me is brand new iPhone 17 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So, at first, enter all the settings, then find and select wallpaper right here and choose add new wallpaper. Now you can either select it from your photos, you can create photo shuffle, you can grab emoji wallpaper, color wallpaper, astronomy wallpaper, weather wallpaper, actually all the features that you know from previous iPhones. Let me pick, for example, the sprite wallpaper. This is a nice one. Here you can change the preset. Let me stay with this one, mark add, and then decide if you want to set it as a wallpaper pair or if you want to customize home screen separately, but I'll go with a pair. It looks quite nice, and as you can see, it is already applied. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.